Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back to share do a VR and share my entry into All Things Crafty with Aimee. I think that's her YouTube channel. Again, I will leave it in the description down below, so please go and check out her channel. And she's having a giveaway at the moment, and she's asked you to make a kind of pop-up kind of card to enter and to do a VR. So I'm going to share the cards. I have made a few other bits. You don't have to. She's just asking for the card. But I have made a few other bits and bobs. So, okay, so the first card I'm going to share with you is this one. So I made this envelope. It's not the best of envelopes. I haven't got my envelope punch board at the moment. So these have all been made by hands. not a lot of hands, just mine. By hand. Yeah, because I haven't got my punch board at the moment, but anyway, so it pops up like this. I thought this was really cool idea. This is not my idea. I actually found this one, I want to say, on YouTube. Again, I will try and link all the like where I got these ideas from in the description down below. And the papers I used for this project is this one, Paradise Beach. It's the Echo Park, and I have got the 12 by 12 like kit to go with it, the stickers and things. But yeah, they're the papers you get in all there. So I had the 6 by 6 and the 12 by 12, and I've used a majority of those. I've got a few bits left. But yeah, so this one just pops up like this. It's really hard to try and show it on camera. But yeah, it just pops up like that. So inside there you've got Celebrate. This was a sticker, like a sticker sheet I got from the range. It had like Happy Birthday and all that on it. Oh, it could have been actually Home Bargains, because I know they'd have a lot of different stickers in there. So it might be the range of Home Bargains. These stickers came in that collection. Just put those there. And then the papers. And it flats like that. And then you just pop it up. And then it stands up like so. I just thought that was really cute. Like I said, guys, I will try and link the person that did the tutorial on this, and then made an envelope out of the papers again. So that's the first one, just slots in like that. And then I kind of got in a card making groove. So I made a couple more. So I made this like boxed envelope. I've never made one of these before. Again, made this by hand. And then inside I made this card. So this one I got the idea from Pinterest. I found this on Pinterest. So again, used the papers from that same collection. This was a sticker from that collection, and same as the surfboard and the bucket and spade. And then that's the papers on the back. And then it, as you open it, I'll try and get this in frame, it just pops up like that. So it closes and then opens. I just thought that was so cool. And again, you can make this for any occasion. That's the papers again from the pack. These were stickers and cut aparts from that collection. And I have left this one plain because I didn't know like what she wanted the card for. So she could put for somebody's birthday, anniversary, if anything really, whatever she wants to. And she can make it, you know, whoever she's gifting it to. I just thought that was so cool. So that's that one. That goes in there like that. And then the next card is this one. And I did use a die for this. So I grabbed the die and I'll share that with you. Okay, so this is the die I used. It's a Sizzix die. That's the code at the top there. And it's called Rainbow Slider Card. Yeah, so you can, obviously they've done it as a rainbow, comes with all these elements, the cloud, the balloons and things, the sun and that, but I made it kind of my own kind of theme. So I used the stickers from the collection. I just back these on some card so they sort of pop up, and then all you do is you just slide it. And again, I have left this blank because she can put her own sentiment there or message, or yeah, she can kind of use this for whatever she wants. And then it flats like that. Again, was a sticker from the collection and that. And then inside I've just backed some paper from the collection on that side. So that's that one. So I made 3 cards, and then after that I made this. I thought this was so cute. So I had this die, but again by xoxo, and it's a Halloween kind of themed. So that's all what you get in the collection. That's the code. So it's got a lot of Halloween elements in it. And this one's called Box Spooky Silhouette. But I just didn't use the Halloween bits. I just made the box. And then I just put it with the same sort of papers and themes, and I put some sequins. I had this little bit of string left over, and I made it into a bow. This again was one of the stickers from that collection, the same as the flower. And then inside I've just put some crocheted flowers. I have got some like yellow ones to go in there, so I need to put those in. But yes, I've just filled that up. And it's such a cute little box. So you can use this like for Easter, or you could even make it into a little Mother's Day box or birthday box, jewelry box. Yeah, so I thought that was so cute. So then the last thing I made is I put a little album together for her. I hope she likes this. Again, I haven't got any chipboard and things, so I did have to use, which was my first time, using cereal boxes to make the front covers. I think they're quite sturdy, to be honest. I did lay a couple of them, but yeah, I think it turned out quite, sturdy, quite surprising really. So these are the stickers from the collection. That's the sentiment. And then I just used envelopes and cards to kind of put this album together. Again, stickers and the papers from that collection. So it just flips. I'll just quickly go through. I have left it quite plain because then obviously Aimee can add pictures in here, or she can add more to it if she wanted more embellishments and things. I just thought it'd be quite sweet. I know she has children. I thought it'd be quite nice in the summer holidays. She can add, if they go to the beach or an outing or whatever, they can add pictures to this. So that's that, and then that's the back, and it's really cute papers. And that's it, guys. I hope Aimee likes what I've made for her. Please don't forget to go and check out her channel, and yeah, join her challenge. I think there's some time. Again, all the dates and the rules will be on her channel, so please check those out. As always, guys, I'd like to thank you all for watching. Have a great week, and I will catch you in my next one. Take care, guys. Bye.